My wrestling matches kept getting canceled part 3.
Please move it. Oh my God. Katay, was that your bike? So I guess that means this match is once again. That is supposed to be a bike, but clearly it's a scooter.
Bakit ba ako yung pinaghanap nyo nun? Ha? Unang-una sa lahat, bike pala yung nawawala. Tas nasa inyo, yung scooter ko. Oh, bakit ako yung pinaghanap ninyo? Tinatarantado nyo ba ako? Naniyatendayo. It's been so long since I have gotten any matches from you. I've been wrestling for almost 3 years. This is the first time in 6 months that I have not gotten any single match from a promotion that wants me so bad, that wants me so bad to fight in a ring. Everyone else is looking for me. Everyone else is paying their damn dues. I was just mad because they couldn't get me into my match. You know, this all started because I got interrupted by Isaiah Valencia on Fight Night 2. You see, back in December, I am supposed to have a match. That never happened. And that curse has been going for so long, even out to this month in April. It's already summer. What the hell is happening, huh? You keep sabotaging my matches just because that happened? Okay, so I'm going to put the blame to Isaiah Valencia for messing my start ever since then. You have a drama going on with Joey Roses at that time. How's that coming for you? Hindi porket nilalagay nyo ako doon, tapos bigla nyong hahatakin, tapos sasabihin nyo sa kanila na, ay, hindi pala makain kay Mateo kasi nabugbog na siya. Ay, hindi pala kain kay Mateo kasi hindi siya nagpakita. Ay, hindi pala kain kay Mateo so wala na tayong oras dito eh. Napakalokohan to! Napakatagal na! Kailangan na nang makita ng mundo kung ano ba talaga ang lakas ng Otaku Crusader. Put me in a match with these two, or else I will bomb the entire house that is the Mecca of Pinoy wrestling with my Genki Dama.